What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the INV Inverse Finance token on Coinbase. So for the first step, you will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step, we need to log into our account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. As you can see, we have a wallet chart over here, and right on top we have a search bar. There we will type in INV, and there it is, the Inverse Finance token. We will click on it, and after that you will arrive at this token page. As you can see, we have a price chart over here, some information about the coin, and also some stats about this coin, the market cap, the volume, and the circulating supply. And as you can see, we have a time frame selected of 1 day, but you can also select different time frames over here by just clicking on it. Now, we would like to buy this coin, so we will select the buy option, but you can also sell this coin and convert it. For now, we will leave it on the buy option, and beside of that you have a order type you can select. A one-time order is just an order for the current market price, just a single order, but you also have a recurring buy option. And that is basically that it will set up automatically purchases on a daily, weekly or monthly base for this coin for a certain amount of money. So if you are planning to buy this coin on a recurring time frame, then definitely use this option. For now we will leave it on a one-time order, and here we have to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this coin. For now I will use 1000 euros as an example, and here you can see the amount of coins we are receiving in return of our payment. Now, on this option you need to select the payment method. We will click on it, and here you can select your preferred payment method in this list. If the preferred payment method is not showing up in this list, you can simply add a new payment method by clicking on this button down below. After you have done that, you can select your preferred payment method, and we will go back to this overview. Now we need to review our order, but always check the amount you have filled in over here and if you are buying the right coin, because mistakes can be undone. Now select the review order. After that, I will give you guys a very useful tip. If you are trading on a regular base on Coinbase, you are paying transaction fees, and those transaction fees can be quite high. As you can see on this order, it is already 38 euros and 37 cents. But if you would like to save yourself these transaction fees, you can use the Coinbase One subscription. This will save you a lot of money because you won't pay transaction fees up to 10k of trades a month. You can try it out for free for 7 days. After those 7 days you just pay 25 euros a month. And as you can see on one order, we are already making profit by using it. Once you have decided to buy these coins, you can click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.